Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble a socket wrench. Here we have the wrench itself. As you see, it's metal, and I have been using this for like 7 years now, 8 years, and it's still in a good shape. Here's the handle. Here are the parts that lock this gear in place. The cover, 2 screws, 2 springs, and this is the direction changer. And here we have the gear. You can see it's still in a good shape. First we start by this part, and these parts sit here, and it has to be locked from the back side with this one by this pin. You can aim it at the middle, double check. Now we have to insert this, and I'm gonna put some super glue on it. I'm gonna put some super glue here so it can hold it in place. So to make it hold a bit stronger, I'm gonna melt some plastic here. I burned it a bit so it can be softer. Now I'm gonna put the handle, but it's a bit tight, so I want it to be easy to go in, and at the same time I want it to be glued. So I'm gonna use this glue as lubricant so it lets it go in easy, and then I'm gonna leave it a bit so it becomes dry. So I'm turning it at the same time and pushing it to the inside. So I'm gonna grease this. And now you see this edge. It's gonna be like this. And we use this spring. We give it some lubrication. So the wide side of this spring has to be on the wall, and the smaller side has to be on this. So it's gonna be, to make it easier, we can turn this to the left, and then we insert this, and at the same time we press this spring in. As you see, so now we can test it, but we have to hold it from here when we are testing so it doesn't pop up. Grease. Now we have the gear, and I like to put some grease inside it from here. And again from here. I'm gonna clean a bit. A bit on the right, a bit on the left, so it sits straight. So, we are done now. If you like my work and want to see more, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.